welcome back, whatever, So we're gonna get right into the video. So I'm gonna just be telling y'all, it's a little 2-month review on this hair. So if y'all saw, if not, I'm gonna put the link somewhere, it's gonna pop up. If not, it'll be in the description box. But what did I do? Oh yeah, I did a curly wig install with this hair. This is West Kiss hair. Okay, installed the hair like beginning of November, and I installed it with glue. Yeah, so I left it glued in for like a week. I just had it flipped over middle part, put it in a ponytail, I got in the shower, wrapped up the edges. Yeah, so took it off after I think like a week and a day or something. Washed the lace, because I don't like having stuff glued on like that. I used to do that in school and it messed up my edges, y'all. Do not do that, because it will, like, I had my wig glued on all the time for cheer, and yeah, it kind of messed it up. Don't do that, okay? So I took it off after a week, cleaned the lace, washed my hair, everything, moisturized it, but I just put it on like for work, okay? So I would put it on for work. So I put on a wig cap and throw this on. That's one thing. It's like, it's a good glueless, like a good throw on wig, okay? And I like that. So I would throw it on for work, come home, take it off. When I take it off, I just lay it down. I don't be going all rough with it, okay? I would literally, if I have a part where like this, if I don't feel like doing the part, just put a headband on, like in one of my other videos, okay? Sometimes I have a middle part, okay? I wore it in a ponytail like once. It's a cute little slick back pony. But yeah. So when I first got the hair, like I said, if y'all saw it, y'all saw I was really, I ain't gonna lie, I was hyped. Like this hair, first of all, I was hyped off the name. Like you see everybody on YouTube, it's like, okay, West Kiss, West Kiss. To me, it's a little pricey, like $300. I don't pay $300 for my wigs all the time, okay? I get them from different places because I'm not about to pay $300 every time. I mean, I ain't rich yet. But like this is like my most expensive wig, honestly. So I was like, okay, I saw some good reviews about it. Okay, hopefully I'm getting my money's worth. Got it. And when I tell you, when it came, flawless. Like lace was good, it was soft, like the curls were just like, y'all even saw it in the video, it was so nice. Like you could run your fingers through it. And I did mention that there were a few tangles, but that was because like it's curly hair. What curly hair doesn't tingle? Like and that was expected. Like that's expected with any hair. Like any hair that doesn't tingle, that is wow, extraordinary. And that was all there was to it, okay? Plus I didn't want to wear it every day because I didn't want it to tingle a lot, because you know it is curly hair. So as time went on, like I said, I just throw it on and off for work. And sometimes, like if you saw my curly hair routine, sometimes I would spray water and put in conditioner. Sometimes I would spray water, put in mousse. Sometimes I would just spray water. But I wouldn't do it every day. Like today, I just threw it on. Literally, then I put conditioner in it like yesterday or the day before. But I just threw it on, and this is how it looks. And this is after like a full work day, okay? So what was that? What was I saying? I lost track. I don't know. But yeah, so I don't like putting a lot of products in my hair regardless, okay? But that's really all I've been doing to the hair. I do not comb it, okay? I don't brush it. I finger detangle. I feel like brushing and stuff, it takes out more of it. So as time went on, the shedding, it started becoming like a little more. Like as I finger detangling, it's like more and more coming out. I'm like,
wait a damn minute. What?
Hold up. Like I said, I paid $3 something. The value was going down to $200 as much as hair was coming out. I'm like, okay, because I done had some better wigs for cheaper that did not shed like that. I'm like, okay, it's like, it is what it is. But the problem is the bag. I keep it glueless, I don't glue it down. And I didn't glue it down just so I could show y'all specifically, okay? After like a week or two, it started getting slightly tingled, because you know you rub it up against your nape, like the back of your neck and everything. So I'm like, that's expected. But as time went on, y'all, it started getting worse. I'm like, is this supposed to be like this? Like yesterday? No, it was like a few days ago. I literally took the wig, flipped it over, to where I had the back, and I had to just finger to tingle the back just for like 10-15 minutes by itself, like, and just I had to put some conditioner in it so it wouldn't tingle back up, but just stay in that curl. I don't know what about it, but like that's the only thing that's irritating me. Like everything else, it feels fine. Like y'all see the lace is still fine. Like I don't put no makeup on the lace or nothing. I put it on to go to work. Like I literally every morning just put on my cap, throw on a wig. If I need a quick spritz, like I said, I didn't do anything to it today, and this is how it looks. But yeah, the only problem has been the back, okay? So let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, I know I got on a dark cap, but that's because either way, I just need my hair protected. Like either way, the lace still gonna look fine, okay? This is still the inside. That's still where I bleached it at. Now this is the top. Well, I just took the part off. Hold up. Okay, this is the part that I just took off. So it was on this side. Yeah, okay, it was on this side. This is the back. Now it does, I don't know if it looks bad or not to y'all. In person, this looks like, I don't know, like, okay, I'm gonna pick it apart for y'all. So, I don't know, y'all, like this is literally like at work, I hate, because I know it's matted, so I try to go through it. But yeah, it looks a little curly like on camera, but it's more matted than anything. And I don't go like that. I literally, even if I wet it and I let it dry first before I put it on, it still becomes like, look, I don't know. Maybe that is natural and I'm just not used to, because this is my first long curly wig. I usually do like short curly hair. Maybe tell me if this is natural or not. I really don't know. But then like when you pick it apart, instead of becoming curly, you know, it just becomes like a, what is this? Like when you pick it apart, it becomes more of like a fluff. See, it looks more curly on camera, but in person, it don't look like that at all. Like it seems puffy, like you just combed it out. And yeah, that is really, I just do this all day. And it started getting like that on the sides as well. I'm not sure what's going on back there. The thing is, I don't want to keep finger tingling it and then more hair keep coming out and then like 2 strands of hair on the wig. That's the thing. But watch how quick I put it on. Hold on. Boom, pow, what? Let me, what? See y'all, oh. Just covered it. I don't be moving my head at work anyway. But that's the thing. I'll give you all that. It is a nice little wig. But as far as the back, that's really the only problem, the tingling in the back. That's it. And like I said, I feel like it started shedding more. That could be natural though. I don't know why it's shedding as much, but yeah, sometimes it'll be on my clothes, like just little pieces of hair, and I was like, is that where my part was? It was somewhere. But yeah, so let me see, is this the style? Nah, I don't know. But yeah, that's really my only problem. Otherwise, other than that, I think the hair is still nice. Like it's not getting dry or anything. The curls, besides in the back, the curls still holding their shape, okay? It's still nice. Can I run my fingers through it? Now, let me see, the last time I detangled this hair, I don't know, but let's see. Okay, I had one little knot on this finger. Let's see, it's pretty much like, it's not like mad knotty or stuff. It's literally, okay, it's okay. It's really only the back, y'all. So I get this hair like a 7.5, 8 out of 10. Okay, is it worth this money? The 300, I would say if it's gonna be worth 300, bring it down to exactly 300. Well, you also paying for the length because I think this 26. But I would say at this, maybe it's like 320, 350. I don't know. I'll put it somewhere. But right now the value, pretty much 300 on the money. That's it. All right, that's it. And like I said, that's after, oh my gosh, my necklace was twisted. That's after what I said, like 2 months. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, y'all. This was just a quick little review. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, I'm really trying to keep the videos coming, so please, please, please just support. And like I said, subscribe. Got any questions, drop them down below. That's it. Until next time.